the man, the myth, the legend, the CFMOTO Whisperer.
My videos might not make sense to you. They always make sense to me. And sometimes, guys, you might not completely understand exactly what I'm doing. One thing to remember, the whole point in my channel is to show you guys that you can do anything that you put your mind to. And that is why I created my channel. Exactly why I created my channel. And sometimes I don't put it all in one video for a reason. Because I want you to watch every video that I post, such as all YouTubers. But in every video, I always give more information and information about other things. So I encourage you to watch every video. Even if you can't, come back and watch it later, because I always have some piece of critical information, usually hiding in a video somewhere. I tend to answer questions in videos because it saves me time and everybody will get to hear the answer to that question. So I want you guys to know that I have your back. And the whole point in my channel is to help you guys learn and do things on your own, quicker, faster, and more efficiently. Sure, not everybody wants to watch my camping videos. Not everybody wants to watch my golf cart build videos. Not everybody wants to check out my built PW50 videos. I completely understand that. But as a content creator, I strongly encourage you to watch those videos because there's always a key piece of information that can be learned in those videos. We all can learn something every day. Nobody knows everything. Nobody is the best at what they do. There is no such thing. But what we all can do, always make each day better. We all can make and learn more knowledge so we can get better on fixing issues and taking care of problems that may occur unexpectedly. Almost 700 videos. I have practically covered every aspect of life in the garage. And trust me, guys, I started wrenching when I was very, very, very young. I started with Briggs & Stratton engine. I didn't go to school for this stuff. I just hopped in not knowing what I was doing and learned how to do what I was doing. I have a lot of years and experience under my belt. I have a lot of knowledge under my belt. I didn't teach myself everything by doing it. I watched a lot of YouTube videos as well over a very long period of years. I watched other mechanics in garages. I watched plumbers, electricians. I always pay attention when I'm around somebody that knows something that I don't, because someday I'm going to need to do that same job. And because of them and me watching, now I know how to do it. I can save myself a ton of money and I can have it done fast. Sure, your side-by-side brakes on a trail. You don't want to fix the belt or the wheel bearing out there. So you take it into a garage. they have it for a month. But chances are, with a Redneck Garage video, a couple buddies, and a few beers, you could have it done in a half an hour. That means you can continue riding instead of sitting at home for a month whining because your side-by-side's in a shop. I understand warranty issues. I understand that some things are better left for the warranty to cover. But at the same time, if you could fix it cheap out on the trail and quick and efficiently and get yourself back to having fun, it's way more worth not taking it in for a warranty. Just this is why I always carry spare wheel bearings, ball joints, tie rod ends, and enough tools I could fix the whole buggy. If I'm out for a day ride and I break down towards the end of the day, chances are I'm not going to fix it on the trail. But if I'm out for a whole weekend and I break down within the first hour or two or even 3, and it's a quick, easy fix, it's getting fixed. So guys, I want to encourage you to watch my videos. Pay attention close. Some of you may not understand what I'm talking about, and you may take it in a totally different direction than what it's meant to be. But trust me when I tell you, I know exactly what I'm doing because I've done it for a very long time, and I would never steer you in the wrong direction. Do I make mistakes? Yes. I'm not perfect, and neither are you. That's just the way that goes. That's just life. And guys, we've had a very long road, and I want to thank each and every one of you. We are popping up to 7,000 subscribers pretty quickly, and it's all thanks to you guys. I have almost 700 videos. That's a lot of videos. Sure, in my early days, my video editing, my camera skills were garbage. I'm no video editor. I'm no photographer. I don't know cameras. But what I do know is how to turn that wrench and how to teach you how to turn that wrench. And hopefully turn some of my knowledge into successful repair videos for you guys. Now, sure, there's a lot that I didn't cover in those videos, but I'm sure I will cover them someday. There's a lot that I did cover. And guys, I create videos because I have fun doing it. I've learned a lot with the cameras in the last 2 years. I've learned a lot with the video editing in the last 2 years. And I plan on getting better and better. And I'm trying to buy me a really good camera. I have some really nice cameras now, and they do the trick. And the picture quality looks really good, actually. 4K. Don't get any better than that these days on YouTube. But we are coming up slowly. And what I do, guys, is very expensive. The only thing I ask from you guys is a thumbs up, a share, and a subscribe, even a thumbs down and a comment. The thumbs down don't bother me because they don't hurt the channel. I really don't even know why the thumbs up or thumbs down is even there, but thumbs up and a thumbs down will help you get the same amount of views. Nothing about that. I just want you guys to know I got you back, and I want to thank you guys for watching. Peace out and God bless, and we'll see you in the next one. It's time for me to go ride. Peace out. Okay, guys, so I just put the decibel killers in, the dual exhaust. They actually look pretty cool. I think they make the exhaust look a little bit more rocket booster-ish. So I fired it up, and it's not bad, but I didn't do any revs. So let's do that on camera. But they were easy to install. You just install them back here. Now I did have to modify them. There's a hump. I don't know why they did that, but I cut that hump out of there and they fit real nice in there. So let's try that. Okay, keep in mind, guys, that was free revving the engine up to cutoff. I think that it's a lot quieter. It's way more respectable. I feel like I definitely could live with that. What do you think?
I think so.
The only thing we need is kind of like a drive-by on the road. They've been wanting to see that, so maybe we'll get the car unloaded and I'll just real quick. Okay? Mm-hmm.